Are you also a B2B company who offers sales support? Then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we are going to learn how you can automate the sales follow-up for any business using this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So that when you're going to receive a new customer query on your WhatsApp, then instantly this AI agent will reply to your customer queries, that too 24/7. Alright, so here on the screen, you can see a sales agent that I've created using this WhatsApp communication platform. But here, before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually it works for my own business by simply sending a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number. On my business WhatsApp number using my another WhatsApp account. So this is my another WhatsApp account and this is my business WhatsApp number. And here I'm going to drop the text as, "Hey, I need help." Alright, so we're going to send this text. And you can see we have received an instant reply that says, "I'm here to help. What specific assistance do you need? If you have any questions about sales follow-up or our services, feel free to ask." So I'm going to ask some basic FAQs to see how this assistant replied to all my customer queries. So the first question is, what do you offer? And here you can see we have received a proper reply for this, where we have received all the services that our company offers. Now I'm going to ask another question as, why sales follow-ups matter? And you can see we have received a proper answer for this, where we have received all the benefits of sales follow-ups. Now we're going to ask another question as, what happens after a lead is captured? And you can see we have received a proper answer for this as well. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing sales agent that I have created for my own business. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this agent for your own business using this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So here, to access Pabbly Chatflow, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automations, then you can use my discount code to get a special discount on your annual or any lifetime plan purchase. I have already purchased my lifetime deal because Pabbly is currently offering it at a very cost-effective price, and I've automated my entire business automation, that too for lifetime. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window, where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see that I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here, to add yours, you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is manual token connect. So WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. That means you must use this method to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And here, if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video link available in the description box below for these. Alright, this was all about the WhatsApp number. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here, if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. And as you know that in this video, we are going to learn how you can create a WhatsApp AI agent for your own business. So for that, we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is AI Assistant. Now under this AI assistant, you can see the total number of AI assistants, number of active AI assistants and number of inactive AI assistants in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here, to create a new one, you need to click on this add button, and here you need to give a name to your assistant. After that, you need to click on this add button, and automatically your assistant will be created and it will direct you to a flow window like this. So here, as you all know that I have already created a WhatsApp agent for my own business. So in this video, I'm going to give you a short brief of this entire process step by step, using which you can create this AI agent for yourself as well. So now, after reaching out to the flow window like this, you need to select the instruction type first from the drop down. So you can see the first option is custom prompt. You can add the prompt as per your requirement, or else you can use some predefined examples such as AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and many more. For now, I've selected the sales agent, and as soon as you're going to select the instruction type, automatically some basic instructions will be updated over here in this column. You can add more instructions as per your requirement. Then comes the AI configuration. So the first one is temperature. It says set how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So I wanted to receive more focused answers, so I've set it as 0.4, but you can set it accordingly. Then comes select AI to use. So I've selected OpenAI, and for the model I've selected GPT-4o Mini. From the drop down you can select it as per your requirement. Then comes the API key. So here under this column you need to add a paid OpenAI account API keys in order to connect the API key inside your AI assistant. Using this API key, your assistant will run and reply to all your customer queries very correctly. So here to get this API key, you need to click on this hyperlink available over here, and it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. So it easily got directed because here I was already logged inside my OpenAI account in the same browser. And after reaching out to the API keys window, you need to click on this create new secret key. Then you need to enter the name, then you need to select the project, and after that you need to click on this create secret key. By doing so, you are going to receive the API key. You need to copy that key and you need to add it over here like this. After that, you need to click on this connect button to save the API key inside your WhatsApp assistant. Alright, this was all about the API key. Then comes the AI assistant settings. So the first one is header message. So to add the header message, you need to turn on this button, and here you need to add the header text. Maximum of 60 characters are allowed. Same goes with the footer message as well. For now, I'm going to turn them off. Alright, then comes the stop keywords. So it says enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So let's understand the settings with the help of an example. So let's suppose that I want to add the keyword as human. So for that, I'm going to type the keyword first, and then you're going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Now whenever my customer is going to send this particular keyword on my WhatsApp chat, then instantly my assistant is going to stop replying to that WhatsApp chat, and the chat is going to get intervened. That means only a human can reply to that chat further. Alright, this is how stop keyword works. Then comes the retry attempts. So here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts that you want to give to your customer to get a proper reply from your assistant. And valid range is 1 to 10. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then comes the fallback message. So it says enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Whenever the API fails to respond correctly, then automatically this fallback message will be sent to your customer's WhatsApp chat. For now, I've used a default message where in the end I have added my support ID that says feel free to ask at support@test.com. You can update it as per your requirement. This basically happens in the API key expiration. Then comes the knowledge source. So it is the most important section of your AI assistant. By providing a knowledge source, your assistant will reply to all your customer queries very correctly and promptly. I have already created my company's knowledge source where I've added all the details such as who we are, our mission, what we offer, and our benefits, what the actual working our business do, and some other details as well. So now after creating this knowledge source, you need to download this file either in the plain text format or in a PDF format, because only these formats are supported inside Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, now after downloading the file, you need to upload the same over here by clicking on this option. From here, you need to select the file that you want to upload, and then you need to click on this open button, and it will upload a file like this for you. Alright, this was all about the knowledge source. Let's move forward to the assistant interface. So the first one is header display heading name. Here you need to give your brand name. I have given mine, that is Epic CRM Solutions. You can update it as per your requirement. Then comes the header display subheading name. So here I've used a default subheading that says we are online, happy to assist you. You can update it as per your requirement, and you can see it is displayed over here like this. Then comes the initial messages. So it says enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add 2 initial message. So you can see one is added by the default. You can remove this initial message and you can add 2 initial message as per your requirement. Then comes display the powered by Pabbly label. You can see it is displayed over here like this. You can simply disable this label by clicking on this disable option from the drop down. For now, I'm going to keep it as enable only. Then comes the footer text and footer link. So for the footer text, it says you can use this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. And for the link, it says footer text will turn as link if you add link. If it does not add link, text will be shown as text only. So here I've used some dummy details, but basically businesses use this concept to add a privacy policy hyperlink in their assistant. If you don't want to create a hyperlink, then you can simply add a text and it will be shown shown as text only. Then comes user first message. So it says this message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. So as you all know that I started my conversation with my assistant as, hey, I need help. So this is my user first message over here. Alright, let's move forward to the styling section. So under this you can style your assistant as per your requirement. You can change the theme mode to light or dark. I'm going to keep it as light only. Then you can update the assistant shape to circle, square or rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle only. Then you can change the assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button colors and many more. For now I've set up the default one only. Alright, then you can add a header profile picture, assistant profile picture and a background picture as well. For now I have not uploaded any media. Alright, so this was the entire process of creating this amazing WhatsApp AI sales agent for your own business. Now after creating this agent, you need to activate the same by enabling this button. Then you need to click on the save button to save the entire process that we have performed till now. After saving the assistant, let me tell you that you can also embed this assistant on your websites by clicking on this embed button. Here you are going to receive the script code. Copy the script code and add it on your website. Alright, this was all about the embed option. Now let me tell you that after creating this assistant, you need to assign this assistant to your WhatsApp chats as well. So here to assign the assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk, click on the settings and from here access inbox settings. For now I'm going to open it in a new tab. Now here in this inbox settings, you need to scroll it little down and in the last you can see the option of AI auto reply settings. From here you need to enable the AI auto replies, then you need to select the contact list and then you need to select the assistant that you want to assign. After that you need to click on the save button and this is how you can assign your assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk. Now let me tell you that you can also assign this assistant to your single WhatsApp chat by accessing this inbox section. From here you need to select your WhatsApp chat and then you need to enable this button and then you need to select the assistant that you want to assign. And this is how you can assign your WhatsApp assistant to your single WhatsApp chat as well. Alright, so this was the entire process of creating WhatsApp automations for sales follow-up. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.